Today's math lesson, lesson 1, in a unit on place value and decimal fractions, is to reason using place value charts to understand when you're multiplying or dividing and how that affects your answer. So we're going to use base 10 units all the way from millions to thousandths. So I'm going to do number 5 from their homework. And it says the perimeter of a park is 0.251 meters. So I'm going to write that on the place value chart. And it says that the actual perimeter of the park is 1,000 times as large. So really what the problem is 251 thousandths times 1,000. If it helps the student, and we did this in class, for them to label what these places are on the place value charts, like this is tenths, this is hundredths, this is thousandths, this is ones, this is tens, this is hundreds, this is thousands. If this helps them to do these problems, I would recommend them to do that, and I told them that in class today. But basically what we worked on today is when you're multiplying, your answer gets bigger. So the amount of zeros represents the amount of places the number is going to move. So we want our answer to get bigger and move into the whole number, more towards the whole number status and less of a decimal. This is going to move 3 places. So this 2 is going to go 3 places to here, and we're going to draw an arrow. And this 5 is going to move 3 places to here, and we're going to draw an arrow. And this 1 is going to move 3 places, and we're going to show that by moving an arrow. So our answer is going to be 251. So when it says explain how you know by using a place value chart, you just draw the place value chart, you draw the arrows, and you plug and move the numbers. That's explaining and showing your work. So the actual perimeter of the park is 251 meters. Okay. Side note, that when you're dividing on a place value chart, the numbers are going to go in the opposite direction because the number is going to be getting smaller. So they're going to be moving to the right. We worked on both types of these problems in class today.